There are many mowers products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best mowers from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Sun Joe Electric Lawn Mower. Rating 4.3. 13-amp motor cuts a 14-inch wide path, no load speed RPM 3D 500. Tailor cutting height with 3-position height control. Durable 14-inch steel blade cuts with precision. Includes 10/6 gal bag and discharge chute. Comes with rear discharge chute MJ401E DCA. Your new lawn mower is backed by the Snow Joe Plus Sun Joe customer promise. We will warrant new, powered products for 2 years from the date of purchase. Number 4. Sun Joe 24V Lawn Mower. Rating 4.3. 100-watt brushless input and 90W brushless output motor runs cooler and lasts longer than traditional brush motors. Lightweight at under 54 pounds with easy glide wheels for maximum mobility in the yard plus garden. Mowing width, 20-inch mowing width. Height adjustment, 7-position manual height adjustment lever, 1 2-inch to 3 5 inches. Collection bag, 13 2-gallon grass collection bag prevents littering your lawn with clippings. Ionax 24-volt system, includes 2x4A lithium-ion battery for up to 25 of rechargeable runtime. Number 3. Greenworks 40V Lawn Mower. Rating 4.4. Get more done faster with Greenworks electric lawn mowers. This 40V push lawn mower provides the power you need with up to 45 minutes of runtime on a fully charged 4A battery. The battery completely charges in 120 minutes. Brushless motor, no. This walk-behind lawn mower is virtually maintenance-free, with no gas, no oil, and no emissions. It starts instantly and is quiet but delivers gas-like power for your toughest projects. Battery-operated lawn mower comes with mower, grass collection bag, 40V4A battery, charger, and operator's manual. It offers a 3-year tool and 3-year battery warranty. Number 2. Craftsman Lawn Mower. Rating 4.4. 13-amp motor with 20 inches deck power through tall grass. 3-in-1 capacity rear bagging, mulching, and side discharge. Winged blade improved cutting performance. Easy fold handle allows for vertical storage. 3-year limited warranty. Refer to warranty and support section below for full details. Number 1. Husqvarna Automower. Rating 4.5. Control scheduling, adjust settings, track location, and check the mowing status of the automatic lawn mower from your smartphone, Amazon Alexa, or Google Home. Physical wire offers strong performance regardless of your lawn layout. The wire provides a clear and consistent signal, helping the mower navigate through shaded areas with significant tree coverage and any other challenging zones. Set up your Husqvarna robot mower with the self-installation kit included. Place the charging station, bury or lay the boundary wire around the perimeter of your yard, install the guide wire, choose your settings, and start mowing. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you, so subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.